The implementations of the Citizenship Amendment Act (CAA) rules triggered large-scale protests all over Assam, with all Assam Students' Union taking out a large torchlight rally in Guwahati on March 12th night. People from all walks of life, students, joined the torchlight processions, vowing to continue the demonstrations until law is withdrawn by the government. Opposition parties in the state have also condemned the move. In a reminiscent move of the 2019 Anti-Citizenship Amendment Bill protests in Assam, demonstrators have again raised slogans including CAA Ami Namanu, we will not accept the CAA, and Joy I Assam, victory to Mother Assam, in addition to anti-government chants signifying their displeasure. The All Assam Students Union AASU initiated a protest against the CAA rules notification backed by 30 ethnic organizations and other student bodies. Among the supporters was the Assam Jatiyatabadi Yuva Chatra Parishad AJYCP. The collective staged torch rallies across the state on Tuesday to voice their opposition against the legislation.